More gloom, not so windy. When I say more gloom, there might be some excitement. Goodness knows what's going on. Looks like a portaloo, I'm sure it's not. But we won't be going for a walk today. Too much to do. It's supposed to be lockdown, right? And it's all supposed to be, stuck in and bored and all sorts. I have never been so busy. Everything needs sorting out. Absolutely everything. I've got tons to do. I could do with some couple of weeks of doing nothing. Well, not nothing, but you know what I mean. I could do with other things going away and leaving me alone. But no, it all kicks off. I don't know. So while I'm doing some really dull stuff, I put the camera out and watched some bird feeding, basically. So there's a happy little sparrow, and we'll get a few other chums. So I'll leave you with tweeting and feeding, and I'll go and do some boring stuff. I'll be back in a bit. So until then, peace, dudes. And once he flies away, a quick look at a pheasant having some fun down on the ground. It's a very friendly pheasant, that one will eat out of your hand. And now, up on the wall, there is a pheasant just behind that kind of block in the background. And once again, I'll just let you pick up on the ambience, like ambient TV. I invented that years ago, and everybody said what a rubbish idea that is, mate. And then, was it Norway came up with a whole of a cruise round a fjord, and showed it, and everybody loved it. Yeah, see, I'm way ahead of me time. Anyway, small birds chirping. then later that day, a little bit of drama. Over on the giant Simonside Hills, somehow it caught alight. Looks like a small volcano grumbling away, doesn't it? It has weirdly, despite being grey and a bit generally dull most days, it's been very dry. And yeah, who knows what's been going on up there. So there it is. Apologies for the shaky camera work. I just had to grab the camera and catch what I could, because you never know what's going to happen next with these events. But anyway, there we have it. And it went on and on into the night. So that's the moon, and in a second you'll see what looks like a couple of car lights. There they go. And that's the fire. It's now spread over that kind of left shoulder of that flat-topped hill. And I'll try. This is 4 o'clock in the morning. Me and the cat woke up for some reason, and there it was. So I just grabbed the camera. It's all a bit shaky and a bit blurred, but you know, have a go. And there, if only I could have found something in the dark to rest the camera on. There we are. A blaze getting blown over from the back of the hill. And one more go, just to see if we can get something meaningful out of this. And a slightly closer version. I thought I could see dark figures moving in front of it, but I think I was just deluding myself. Anyway, spectacular little blaze there. And at the same time, it's worth saying, we're getting to that kind of time of year up here on the borders where at 4 o'clock the sky starts to get light again, which is really rather fun. So while that was going on to the south, I suppose, southwest, southwest, something like that, over to the east, you're getting this. Good morning, everybody. And in 2 hours' time, we'll have a blazing sun come up over there. So what a strange and eventful day we had. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Why am I whispering? It's not night time anymore.